If you're working with compact kitchens or just want to maximize your counter space, here are some of the best small kitchen gadgets that combines efficiency with a small footprint. First, Bella 2 Slice Slim Toaster. Priced around $25, this narrow profile toaster is perfect for tight spaces. A single long slot accommodates various bite sizes, making it both practical and stylish. NutriBullet Pro 900-volt blender. For about 78 to $98, the blender is for ideal smoothies and sauces. Its powerful motor ensures quick blending, though it may struggle with very thick items. Crocs X Marshmallow Air Fryer. At $42, this 3-quart air fryer serves a fast toaster oven alternative. Its compact design is suitable for small kitchens, though the interface may not be as hard to read. Fourth, we have the Chirachi electric kettles. Priced around $70, this kettle is known for its reliability and longevity. It's great for boiling water for tea or coffee, though the exact model may be hard to find. 5 is Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. At $40, this portable food warmer is ideal for reheating lunches at work or small potluck servings. It's not designed for cooking, but excels at warming food. These gadgets are perfect for small kitchens, offering functionality without taking up much space. They combine practicality with style, making them excellent choice for those looking to optimize their cooking area. And that's it.